name is Harsh. I'm the Student Success Assistant here at Student Success Center at Lakehead University. Today I will be explaining on how to book appointment with the Orillia Student Success Center. So to book appointments, you log into your MySuccess portal, and if you want to know how to log into MySuccess, you can watch the first introduction video on how to log into MySuccess. So all you have to do once you log it, you can go onto the left tab here, click on the Orillia Student Success Center, and then book by appointment type. Then you can choose the type of support you're requesting. It can either be academic support, career or employment advising, cover letter, or student engagement. So once you're done, you can click on any one of them, whichever service you're requesting, then select the next available appointment and the time which is most convenient to you. And then fill in the information such as your phone number and the reason for appointment, and upload any document, if any. And just so the provider can provide you the best service, you can look at the blue box over here to see the kind of description needed for the student success advisor, which will better help them better to provide you the best service. So once this is done, you can click on book appointment and you will receive a reminder before 24 hours of the meeting. So thank you very much for watching this video on how to book an appointment with the Orillia Student Success Center.